Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how do you produce in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not already have it, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where we can get started with finding the instruments we want to play, we can get started recording ourselves, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how you produce a track and your own song using GarageBand. So basically, this is the main menu where you'll be able to find all the instruments that you can play. You can add your keyboard, you can add your drum kit, and so on, and you can use the audio record option to record yourself in real life. So let's go ahead and open up the audio record option. It's going to work the same for everything that you choose. For any instrument you choose, it's going to be the same menu and you can use the same options, but in the audio record option we can get started recording ourselves. So here at the top of the screen you'll always see a big red circle. That is the record button. That's going to start the recording process where you can get started recording yourself, or you can record an instrument you're playing and so on, and after finishing it's going to add our track to the mix. So guys, now we can get started producing our track by clicking the big left button right here in the upper left corner. That's going to open up edit mode, and after opening up edit mode it's now going to show us all the tracks that we have. So we have our audio recorder option right here where we can maybe record ourselves singing or rapping, doing whatever. We have our backup piano right here. We can add even more instruments using the plus button right here, the bottom left corner, to add more instruments to create our perfect instrumental beat and to get started producing and mixing our track. After that we can just save it normally with the big left arrow right here in the upper left corner, and after that you can get started producing your own music. But yeah guys, basically that is how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.